What if I told you that some of the most powerful ingredients for cleansing your liver and blood vessels are right in your kitchen? Could natural remedies be the key to detoxifying your body and boosting your health? Are these simple foods the secret to a cleaner, healthier you? Today, we're uncovering the incredible benefits of natural ingredients that cleanse your liver and blood vessels, addressing questions you might not have considered. Can these foods really detoxify your liver and improve cardiovascular health? Are they safe for everyone? And how should they be consumed for maximum benefit? Imagine incorporating these natural ingredients into your daily diet. But do they actually work? Can they really enhance liver function and support your overall health? With liver disease and cardiovascular issues being significant health concerns in the United States, knowing how to use these powerful ingredients could be life-changing. What if I told you that these ingredients can help reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation? How much should you really consume to reap these benefits? And what are the best ways to prepare and enjoy them? Let's dive into the top natural ingredients for cleansing your liver and blood vessels. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support detoxification and overall health. Garlic. Garlic is renowned for its medicinal properties. It's rich in sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. Additionally, garlic contains allicin and selenium, which help cleanse the liver and protect it from damage. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant spice. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, enhances the production of bile, which aids in the elimination of toxins and rejuvenates liver cells. Beets. Beets are high in betalains and other compounds that support detoxification and reduce inflammation. They help increase oxygen by cleansing the blood and can break down toxic wastes to help them be excreted faster. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in chlorophyll, which helps remove toxins from the bloodstream and neutralize heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemons, limes, and grapefruits boost the liver's cleansing processes. They are high in vitamin C and antioxidants that help convert toxic materials into substances that can be easily absorbed by water. Apples. Apples contain high levels of pectin, a chemical that helps the body cleanse and release toxins from the digestive tract. This makes it easier for the liver to handle the toxic load during the cleansing process. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which improve liver function and protect the liver from toxins. Are these ingredients safe for everyone? Generally, yes, but it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. So, how much should you consume? Incorporating these foods regularly into your diet can provide continuous support for liver and blood vessel health. For example, adding a few cloves of garlic to your meals, drinking a cup of green tea daily, or making a beetroot salad can make a significant difference. Let's not forget the impact these ingredients can have on your liver and blood vessels. Their antioxidant properties help reduce inflammation, support detoxification, and improve blood circulation. If you have concerns about how to incorporate these foods into your diet, start with small amounts and gradually increase as your body adjusts. To sum it up, these natural ingredients are not just nutritious. They are powerful allies in promoting liver health and detoxifying your blood vessels. Incorporating them into your diet can have a transformative effect on your health and well-being. What do you think? Have you tried any of these natural ingredients for detoxification? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health insights. Remember, your health is your greatest asset. Disclaimer: always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions.